Have you ever started something with full motivation? Day one, you're excited. Day two, you're still going strong. And then, somehow, a few days later, you stop. You tell yourself, I'll start again tomorrow. But tomorrow becomes next Monday. And next Monday becomes never. So why does this keep happening? Is it because you're lazy? Not necessarily. The real problem is something much more interesting. Your brain doesn't naturally care about consistency. It cares about immediate rewards. Think about it. You decide to work out every morning. The first day feels exciting because you're starting something new. But after a week, your brain starts asking, what do I get from doing this right now? And the answer is usually nothing. You don't instantly get stronger. You don't instantly lose weight. You don't instantly become successful. But scrolling your phone, that gives your brain a reward immediately. And this is where consistency starts losing the battle. But there's another problem. You make your goals too big. You say, I'll exercise for 1 hour every day. I'll read 30 pages every night. I'll study for 4 hours every morning. Sounds impressive, but when you're tired, stressed, or busy, that huge goal suddenly feels impossible. So you skip it. And once you skip it, you feel guilty. Then you think, I've already ruined my streak. I'll start again tomorrow. And that's how the cycle continues. Here's what actually works. Make the habit so small that your brain has no reason to resist it. Instead of saying, I'll study for 2 hours, say, I'll study for 5 minutes. Instead of, I'll work out for 1 hour, say, I'll do 5 push-ups. The goal at first isn't to become amazing. The goal is to become consistent. Because once your brain gets used to showing up, increasing the habit becomes much easier. And there's one more trick. Stop depending on motivation. Motivation changes every day. Some days you'll feel unstoppable. Other days you'll want to do absolutely nothing. That's normal. Instead, create a simple rule. I don't have to do a lot. I just have to show up. 5 minutes still counts. 1 page still counts. 1 push-up still counts. Because consistency isn't about doing everything perfectly. It's about not disappearing. You will miss a day sometimes. That's okay. The mistake isn't missing 1 day. The mistake is turning 1 missed day into 2 weeks. So remember this. Don't chase motivation. Make the habit smaller. Make it easier. And most importantly, keep showing up. Because success usually doesn't come from the person who works hardest for 3 days. It comes from the person who keeps going when the excitement is gone. If this video helped you, comment, I'll keep showing up. And if you enjoy simple psychology, practical habits, and easy self-improvement, subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.